finals. Run it straight. Diligent SOSA.
Oh. Getting the whole Valorant up again.
Oh. Okay, Haven is the map. Let's see what these comps are doing. We're gonna see some, Vix again, and Fortnite. Their battle's gonna be awesome against Ana and Vix on the Rainers. Anki back on his jet, but we got Panthers has been playing Neon this whole time. So Ka again picking up his Autoninwa Chamber, Ninja Assassin. There's only one healer, so no healer for run it straight.
Yeah, opting in for a bit more CC and blinds. And
Yeah,
stuff, with the
100%. The Odin. I'm not too sure if we're gonna. I think we're gonna see like more power guns.
No, I mean, instead of Sage, they have Omen. Because they got Brim and Breach, like, kind of singly off, and then Sage and Omen is like one support and then more entry
I
push.
talk about Portal. I know, because you don't really need a support like if you play the map right or if you push right. So maybe that's what they're going in with.
More of a backup.
It's a bit of a confidence call in my opinion, but
Sage is really good though at creating that, like,
yeah, especially onside and just blocking them, controlling like the lanes and whatnot.
yeah, slowing down the play.
I want to start with Fortnite though.
Just creating overall pressure.
Actually,
for the other team.
go Uno, Vix. I want to see how she pushes in. They'll be opting for a push here. Run it straight is more playing a default at the moment. They're spread out across the map. Okay,
Oh, that's a very.
here we go. We've got the U2 coming out. We got more communication coming from the teams as well. Look at that. We got Fortnite Babe slowly. You can see in the top map there. Going around for the flank as she goes. Oh yeah. So all on A. Watch out for Vix can't quite get that kill.
One enemy remaining.
Panthers still do their massive. They get the plant down here. So Vix has got a big feet in front of her. Ki toru ki te tahi. Engari me āta haere i tēnei. Ka taia te uni, engari e tukuna ia. Well, we'll get there first. She doesn't heal off it though. Oh no, she does. This is my bad. I was talking about something. Still got an ace for the first round. Sage is hot. Brim?
Yeah,
Brim is him.
he is Brim.
He's Brim.
Yeah, definitely he is coming out strong for that first round.
Nice clutch. Yeah,
Yeah.
nice clutch.
Run it straight.
That was beautiful.
Yeah.
It's kind of fortunate he was the Reina there too. Could get the kill, get out of there easy. Invulnerable in that.
Even the heal way, like even if you take the heal instead of the invul.
Yes. Good target stage. Just gotta
Yeah,
play
but options, options with
options, bro. So, good luck, have fun. That's what it's all about, Te Wānau. Waka nui te Reo Māori, o te rai i ngā rangatia, o rangatahi here. We're gonna go for a long pick.
Spike down.
Okay.
C.
Not too sure what Ninja Assassin's gonna do with this pakitara here. Oh, he's just calling the rotate and he's gonna wall it off if they run through. Oh, he holds it though. But oh no, that's his teammate. We're good. They got nice smokes to get them out. Fortnite Babes though, still peeking down the line.
Oh, and they're just in.
Okay, they're calling out the A.
Inside.
Spike planted.
Alright, this is gonna be good right here.
Who's got bomb?
Alright, up heaven. Jet number one.
Prepare for hellfire!
Oh,
Alan.
just get slapped. Dude, that was an ugly sheriff.
Sage is hot, is kind of hot with the spec at the moment. Vix. Tim knows where she is though. Nice shots. 2v1. Sage is hot.
Last player
See if they
standing.
can clutch on this one. 1v1. Oh, Tim picks it up.
Tin is him.
Defender.
He is him.
He is Tim.
Yeah.
That's it. Nah, man. I was kind of.
That was well played.
That's wild. That was.
Good swing.
That
Good.
was good. You got new windows.
Yeah, the trades on the frags, they were evil.
Oh, nice. So we got one round to one.
Thank you.
How's the teamwork looking now, bro?
Yeah, it's more fluid. You know, it's more clean. Like these cats know what they're doing. They know what they're supposed to do.
Yeah.
even though the attacking team like dropped a member earlier, they didn't deter. They came back and almost took out the round anyway. That's what it is. It's about like perspective and
Perspective. Yeah, much more experience coming into this Kiwi too, which you can see straight off the bat. U2 is being used. Oh,
or 7.
X.
Oh.
Oh, Alexi's gonna get the
Oh, evil double.
and he's gonna pull that out of his. He'll pick up the better gun.
Yeah.
Ke kaitaiki ke o ngā ringa. He's gonna call his teammates over. Now let's see if they hold this or they takahuri ki te
No,
taha si.
holding Wanganui, number 8.
Okay.
8 and 2, having a bit of a
Bit of a
Rainer
spread
versus
down
Rainer.
there.
A rain off, if you will.
I'd like to see either eye or double peek. Oh, no,
oh.
it's not a kitchen road.
Parasite.
Oh,
One enemy remaining.
Definitely know what she's doing.
Spike
Fortnite,
down
babe.
A.
Coming in clutch.
quite sage.
Defenders, well. I don't like it.
You're kind of having a bit of a scenic tour, that Sage, eh? Bit of a,
They must know now that Fortnite Babe likes to roam. Like he's like the lone roamer. He's a free roamer throughout the map. So I think they just push aside and just kind of watch their back. Shot colors. Let's see what the start does. So both teams. So we got Diligent Sosa. Oh yeah, Diligent Sosa's against Runner Straight, both from Spotswood College. Yeah, the only teams that played today, or the only team that didn't. Oh, fuck. The only team.
that didn't come from Spotswood College was running after them.
Spike down A.
Holy.
This is the GF. Yes, this is a great fun.
Aroha mai te whānau prize is lagging.
Switching between Reo, so 5
Yeah.
up the Allen key. Nah, he's doing that.
Up to change the subject.
So Rangiati was actually a kuta kaupapa too. So
Yeah.
big ups to them. Oh, bro, they played once. Come and got it done, and yeah, faced a good team. So, Fortnite Robo, once again, 1v2. She does have
One
damage,
enemy
which is
remaining.
great on her behalf. She'll get that one easily. 10 just chilling on the side.
Yeah, that Omen's been big chilling, eh? He just knows the spots to hold.
And you kind of, like, that's what you kind of want him to do too. Just throw smokes and help the team. You don't really want him to get in there. Unless you're there to blind them. Still playing the default though. I still like the defenders setup. Like to see it run it straight B. No one's really going towards B at the moment. I wonder when that's gonna come. For everyone that doesn't know, on Haven, you get 3 sites to plant the bomb on. So those options are there. It's very easy to kind of rotate sites. But it's gonna be a B. Oh, Blanky's gonna take the first one. He's got it. And he's just gonna shoot.
Hey, down the hatch, he reckons.
There
He
they
one
are.
shot, 2 shot, my man's on.
Oh, nice start. He's gonna get kicked there. Oh, Alec. Another good shot.
Here.
Number 8, Rainer. Yeah,
Car picks him up. That's
yeah,
great.
with the shorty, yeah. Tātou hōta
Here.
iti coming in.
Oh, ai, ai. Tura ki tēnei i noho ana ki te kokona.
Yeah.
Right.
One enemy
Oh,
remaining.
nice shot, bro. Alan Key is actually just Loki popping off, warmed up now, so let's go. Run it straight. Let's look at the ball real quick. Yeah, Alan Key top throwing at the moment. Little Panther still waiting to get into the game, but still a lot more time to do that. I'm reckoning with the Neon there, use her speed to do the rotates, put the bomb in her hands, use that wall that she has. And you get the team on the side. Oh, mid. I haven't seen a mid pick yet. Oh, let's aim up a little bit more. Car knows. Great shots. Great shots by Car there, picking up the first blood. But we have Brum has the bomb in hand. Taco's here in a good position at the moment. He does have util to use. Just taking their time. Yeah, he's gonna play this at times.
Oh,
Horses and they know where he is. You want to use that flash to get up. Oh, but that's not blocked him off instead. Tintin, always he's kicking back.
putting the wall off.
Insect.
He's looking to push up.
Oh, there he
Does
is
take
again.
damage, but he will. Oh, he can't quite find the sage. Lucky.
Adios.
Tintin just lining it up.
Teleport's ready.
The chamber's here to cut.
One enemy
cut
remaining.
alongside of the bomb goes down.
Spike
full
down
spawn.
A. 30 seconds left.
Trying to make a move. This could be a good one. Big pinch here from her. It's one. See if she's got some trigger discipline. Nah, she'll take the shot. Vix doesn't know if there's doesn't know Car's there as well. Yeah, Car will clean that up nicely. Great plays by the defenders there.
Teleport's ready.
Card away, card away. Great round. Really, great round in the chat.
Yeah, nah, they just
Shot killer. That's it.
it's evil here.
I want to see. Awesome. I'd like to see this Neon get a U-tool going on A, I reckon. Oh no, see. Let's get that wall up so it gets the team running there and run it straight.
Yeah.
Looks like she's gonna pick another game. Oh, really got pre-fight through the wall. Crazy. They spot garage.
Nah, the maps were predetermined, Tay. So they didn't get to pick.
X is taking time. But they got car watching the line. You might get a reason. Oh, I think he's there. He's just watching. He's just watching it. Dude. Defenders are just they're gelling very nicely right now. Run it straight. I'm telling you, 31 incoming. Let's see.
SOSA just so strong. Man.
That is,
Pushing it straight, just getting chin checked with these big shoulders.
yeah, I mean this one, I'd rather attack on this map in
Yeah.
my opinion. But yeah, at the moment, still not out. Get a couple more rounds in and they're in.
That's the thing. SOSA are doing this defending.
And like they're not pushing really, unless they get a pick. No, Alan's not going to see anyone there. There's going to be another big panther. Yeah, nice. She'll get out of there. Tintin. Always coming on him with his elements pulling up in the spawn. Oh,
Spike
so he's going to
down.
push this. Should go down. Wow. Misses the shots. Taco scope goes down. Alanki, ulti. But we have someone in the corner with a halter, I think.
Right here.
It's the unarmed Vix.
Oh.
Jen
Oh.
is very. Alanki is very. Chicken.
The upsets.
Vix actually absolutely. Now she's got
Oh.
to operate in there.
The Bucky,
Seems
the
to be
Bucky
putting
in the
the
dream.
bombs there as well. It's
I
good
have
to
this
do.
fight.
All right, here we go, right in
Pick
front.
up some-
Yeah, hold, just
Nice flashes.
So close.
One
up,
enemy
two?
remaining.
Wow, this is having a tournament event here. 1v2.
30 seconds left.
Either go and plant. Oh yeah, they're gonna do the split push here. And Kape Hirato Yaya, they're gonna kind of punch him.
I am not
Car, Car's on right now. He's feeling the shot, and he's looking good.
yeah. No, I definitely agree with that. Car's on. Him, Alan, and Fortnite just holding a 3-man band.
Car,
Not to take away from Tin and Taco, you know, they're still
Tim's
still
doing
in
it.
there.
He's throwing those, you know.
standouts. Hey, standouts of our
I
match.
want to see a rolling thunder. Isn't coming soon, surely on A site.
Hey, surely a fat rolling thunder into. Who was my man with the Bucky last round? Was that?
Vix.
Oh,
And he picks up the Koimahi after that. So huge round. Tim doing money on long.
Silver's
So
dead.
we'll get there. It's a bit shaky, but
Yeah.
nonetheless gets it. Our Panther. Nice. That's useful YouTube. I'd like to see his E there. No. Oh. Crouch shots there. Ninja Assassin gets Fortnite, babe. Out
Yeah.
of all.
They
That's
found my
huge.
trap.
Oh, just ugly.
Stolen sills at the moment. Having a avocado. Having a puppy ball in it. Yeah. Use that sprint Panther. That's all we'll do. Get those rotations on.
Teleport's ready.
Purposely
Last
don't-
player
They
standing.
don't check their walking when they're hitting corners where people are. Eh? They just run.
Next
Run
has
and
the
gun.
one on C, so this is perfect opportunity for her.
Yeah.
Whakakai te pahu.
Spike planet.
Activating that bomb right now.
Oh,
Panther's
and
gonna rotate.
Omen's altered to A.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Shout out Tayo Senshi.
Shout out to Cinch.
That's crazy.
Keep hold. As Tintin slowly checks his corners. Plays his pathway. That's going to be two. He's got two 1v1 opportunities here, which is good. He stops right.
One enemy remaining.
And now he's got to know that he's long. He's got to know long with the op. He's got to smoke there.
Cover going out. What's another day?
Let's see if he can shoot through there. He misses one. Tintin's just gonna. Pros don't fake, baby. Pros. Oh! He
Wow.
finally hits the shot. He misses three, but the fourth
Coming-
one. hits.
Coming down to the
Tintin's
wire.
Fake.
Holy.
Nice try.
Doing it on purpose, you reckon? You reckon he was doing it on purpose?
I would have held it.
Yeah. No, that was very well played by Tintin. He had to stick it.
I mean, you got to shout out the team who were giving him the pings there on the map too.
Yeah.
That's not ready.
I reckon if he didn't peek before the smoke went down, he wouldn't have known exactly where he was because he
Yeah.
didn't change position.
Well, he should have pinged it when he planted.
Yeah,
And I think that's what that ping was, but it was a little off center.
it's like it's a C hit here.
Yeah.
Pretty heavy. The comms are coming up,
Yeah.
bit frantic, but it is what it is.
Hey, Messi.
Okay, look, number two, pushing up through sewers there, always flanking. I'd love her just to go back through their spawn, but like she's finding the space. It's just the timing. Still stuck in the little cover there down one. He's just shooting up shots. Even a rolling thunder here.
Yeah.
Command around. They know where they are. They are punched there too, so.
Spike down. C. One enemy remaining.
Oh, Alan will take the ace.
Flawless.
Nice round there. Defenders. Sosa coming in very sharp. Some awesome display of skill, knowledge on the game so far.
Yeah, and just like I suppose the collective understanding of where they should be and what they're doing.
Just a,
They seem very relaxed, eh?
yeah.
Big
Comms
killer.
I think the comms are clear, not too frantic,
Yeah.
and just they're not just yelling in each other's ears, getting the mahi done. Nice. Okay, we've got car. I'm gonna pull out the ult here. He's not gonna see anyone there just yet. Everyone's going towards A, which we have two set up.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Go through shields. Oh, just looks away. Big sees Fortnite being thrown. Fortnite's gonna give up the pull out. But Chambers just gonna hold tight. Oh, that would have been spicy.
That looked good, eh? Like just the way that he's
From our view. Oh my. Okay, they heard the orb going on, so few free fire shots down there. But that tagged up heavy. And this is being well defended at the moment.
Oh,
I'm not too sure if she's seen the last one there. Chamber is finally unseen.
Spike down A.
Trying to peek down in garage. Oh, this
One
is
enemy
there's
remaining.
just so many fights happening on the map so far. Chambers got cleared to see he's been bombed down and sewers, I believe.
30 seconds left.
So you can Ninja Assassin. Yeah, this one wants some slow walking. Get the hell off. Oh, unlucky. So again, coming up with another round. I'm too.
There's not much separating
Last
them. There's
round
just like a
before the
little bit
switch.
more finesse in like the way they're pulling it. All their shots are the same. Their angles the same where they're looking, but it just looks like Diligent Sosa's just one step ahead. They don't touch
I mean, yeah.
they Sosa.
They're not like overextending or anything.
Nah.
Yeah, so like, yeah, that's just the finesse. Bit of skill there as well.
Yeah.
I've tightened up their shots too, so there isn't as much spraying as I've seen.
Yeah, because I don't think the score accurately reflects how well Run Out Straight played it. They're both playing like a very, I suppose, like very practiced Valorant.
Spike drops.
But Diligent Sosa just seems to be hitting those angles like a lot better, a lot more accurate. Oh, there we go. We got the Tremor or the Rolling Thunder.
Ninja says it is in trouble. Also, Little Panther, but he's gonna come too much into it. We've got a flanker.
Fortnite Babe with the
I
Empress.
think he's going the wrong way. He'll come back this way. Fortnite Babe's popped the
One
old.
enemy
Oh
remaining.
man. And I'm vexed in Fortnite Babe. Who's it gonna be?
Let's go, Vix. Let's see what you can do.
Ain't nobody worried about you. I don't yarn over these things.
Ace. Nice ace from Fortnite Babe. Definitely warming up. Sosa coming in hot.
Switching sides.
Let's get these videos.
Momentum rolling like that rolling thunder.
Let's go. You can't get away from that too. When that thing rolls out, it's like half done.
Well, if you got that play from Omen, you can TP like behind it. If you know the time. Thank you again. That's coming hot. Little Panther.
Yeah, no, straight up. Like
So slightly chilling.
this is looking like it's in favor of Sosa, but you never know. Could be a massive swing.
Not wait for the switch.
Yeah.
Distracted.
This is gonna be
I
fun.
reckon we can see something surprising.
Wait, haven't they
Here.
switched now?
Now one more.
No, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
so,
switch,
yeah,
sorry.
the switch.
Okay, straight into garage. Run it straight. That's their name.
Yeah, straight up. See.
Oh, nice shots. Good pick up there. Fortnite Babe. Unfortunately, can't pick up the second. Little Panther gets him.
Yeah, Little Panther.
Got car.
Last
See?
player standing.
See
Spike
if you can
down.
find him.
C.
TP out of there. And kind of just
Right.
rethink their
Spike.
steps, but Spike's down on
Teleport's
side,
broken.
so they got to work together to grab it.
Aye.
This kind of just chilling around mid there, but Panther's got the timing on. He will hear him. No, he doesn't. Oh, lucky. Nice shot.
You see what I see? Yeah, like
Sage
this,
just hot his back.
that's it, eh? Like it's like they're both playing the same game, and now that they've sort of defenders, like
Utilizing that slow walk there too.
Yeah.
Not giving away position
yeah.
Gotta go.
for another round to defenders.
Mm.
10-2 or 10-3 at the moment to 1. Side shot. Quick check of the scoreboard. 21 for Fortnite. Looking forward to see how Vex kind of warms up in this one. Surely. Fortnite, he's just gonna peak all day. Got the tag. No Sage though on the side, so he's not gonna get a hill unless he gets a kill. He's gonna push the garage. I like it. Right, here we go. That's nice angles there. Car picks up 2 with the classic. That's crazy.
And Lil Panther with the kill on Ghost, like that was nice on the jet.
Panther, he could easily get this kill here. Hard's very low on health.
Heard the reload.
What did he just...
He heard the reload. He's waiting for it.
I said shot too.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, that's just
Spike down.
Vex, though.
C. Last player standing.
Oh, really?
Oh, look, Panther comes up with a little highlight for
Yeah.
himself. Nice 3-piece from Panther. That was awesome to watch.
That was really well played by him. It was those little minor details of
Go,
when
go, go.
Chamber was lined up in the smoke, and you're like, shoot him, shoot.
Yeah, I had to lower my voice because they can hear us.
Yeah. None of these backseat gamers / commentators back here.
Okay, Vix is heating up. That Panther though,
Yeah.
nice, looking nice. Good thing about Panther and his character is he can rotate easy. He's super fast. Or she, if it's a neon I'm talking about. Oh, nice little pink there from Panther.
Giving Fortnite babe
With
the
the
young
big first one.
shoe lap. With the big donaki.
I'm out of
Panther
here.
looking for more.
That's the momentum
split up.
swing that kind of like, you know, really stunts a teammate is when your ace gets pumped.
Yeah.
Because he absolutely got pumped.
Looks like we must see our first B hit here. SOSA is still split between CNA. But they could have easily just pinch on in. But run it straight leads the side. Just need to take it.
Oh,
Nice shots.
big shot from the Sage's cover.
Last player standing.
It holds onto a shot
Yeah.
way too long.
Changing that Brimstone's name to Sage's pie. So
Recall,
I'm not saying that other one.
recall that dirty thing.
Low key get clipped.
Let's look again. Okay, I reckon if run it straight, just kind of help each other get like with the kills and that, this game could turn in their favor very easily. That's it, man. You want to shut down Fortnite? Maybe Allen Key too. And yeah, that could be your keys to victory.
Yeah, and that's I think what they're like. Their game plan is just to keep doing this. You know?
Allen Key will go down there though. Fortnite's still up though, so plenty of inspo there. Plenty of gunpowder there too. Hako Scout goes down unfortunately. Sage's hot is kind of heating up. So I shot is with Ninja. So that's just gonna slow rotate over.
One
and
enemy
come back.
remaining.
Little Panther got that little pump. Smoked.
Side shot's gonna go all the way into the spot. Both of them. But it's a 1v3. This is very winnable. Vix needs to pick this up though. Nice shots by Vix. Okay, it's getting tight now. 6-10.
That's it.
Pressure's building up.
Maybe it was just defending.
What's
Maybe
going-
defending's tit.
What do you think's going on in the mentals of SOSA right now?
I don't think much has changed for their mental in that, but defending is a hell of a lot easier for them than attacking. That's what it looks like.
100%.
Is that they're more of like a sentinel, like
Yeah.
you know, let people come at you kind of team. That's why attacking kind
Interesting. Yeah.
of seems rough, eh?
You want
That's
to
why you
play?
can never like
Let's
counter,
play.
especially if you're. It's more favor to defend on here.
Oh.
Car, huge kill there. Nice. This is how you want to push him. You've got Fortnite beam. Car kind of just holding the backsides. Got Fortnite in there. Clearing our garage is Allen Key, but Allen Key goes now real quick. But now they have sight. Bull Panther just kind of on its own at the moment. I wonder if they know if Car's still. What number is Car? Yeah, Car's just gonna hold this angle.
Here.
This is perfect for him.
One enemy remaining.
Can't fix it up. They just says some
Thrifty.
TP's out and they won on the
Take their
thrifty. You
guns.
gotta be happy with that.
Yeah.
For everyone that doesn't know, thrifty just means that you won a round on a save round. So yeah, you mokui your puta, you just go out on a bit of a whim, get some kills, get some guns. Thrifty.
It's when you
Yeah,
make a
nice
play
eco.
when nobody expected you to.
Sosa though. Sheesh. Run it straight, making a nice comeback. Sosa will pick up that round though.
A gift.
It's just the matter of rounds now. You want to play this nicely. Okay, that one. Oh, I have
What?
one more.
Hey.
Okay, we've got Car
Then-
and Shh. Respect.
Apologies, Whānau, I'm getting tit yarns from our crowd. We got these 6% yarns coming at me. Yeah, you know who you are.
I think I'm gonna take a few shots up the
Oh,
ribbon.
look at this smoke play.
Just run. We'll save the
Alan.
part. It's gonna wait for the.
Alan.
It's a good time. Look, we got Alan Key.
Oh.
We got Alan Key just deep into their spawn. So
Hey,
if they
what
just
in
hold,
the-
go straight to C and plant. That'd be ideal, but it's
Another B play.
nice shot. We'll get the tap there on the headshot. I'm gonna throw out there. Oh,
Get out of my way.
Alan Key will pull out the ult though.
Oh,
That's
unlucky
right.
little panther.
Okay, two. There's a call out there. They call out that they're both in spawn. They are split though.
One enemy remaining.
Car will get one kill on a ninja assassin.
Oh man.
Attackers will win that one.
Slip.
It's 12-6. Sosa coming in hot again. Another round of the
Match point.
Right.
game.
Match point.
This is match point.
Can they do?
Let's go. Run it straight.
Uh,
Let's see if they can bring it back.
Is it gonna be run it straight or is it gonna be stub two?
Give them- Run it straight 1-2 rounds, and it can be a spicy game.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a. Who should we go? Who do we want to speak to?
Alright. Kind of give us a young schooling lesson now before it starts. Just with, what would you do in this situation, Alpites?
So you're defending. I'm just not even peeking. So if you see there,
There they
Yeah.
are.
she peeked in a little. You don't really need that. You just need to hold egg, hold something.
Yeah.
Throw your smoke somewhere you need, but like
Here.
Sosa's done so well to push his site here. Got another B blade coming in. She's holding the flank again. The same play, but bomb is done. I don't know. Actually, they've kind of messed up.
2v5?
I had to pass the bomb to Tim. And we'll plant that one now. That's going to be a big power position for.
Spike planted.
But then there's a Vix. Let's see what Vix will do.
Last player standing.
1v4. This is for the game. Flash misses, and Vix is all on him. I'm just gonna play the smart game and just switch it off. And Fortnite Babe will win that round.
Attackers win.
So there it is, Fano.
Right there, Sosa. Way too strong. Now, grand champions. For the Bullrush Valorant tournament, it's a one.